I'm so happy to be with you today, my friends, and talk to you about the basics in Spanish when traveling. The first thing we are going to do is learn how to say hello and introduce ourselves, and it's going to be hello, hola, hola, I am Roxana. Yo soy Roxana. Yo soy Roxana. This was easy, wasn't it? Now, how are we going to say goodbye after meeting with our friends? Adios, adios, or we can also say hasta luego, which means see you later. Now, the following step is that we want to ask for more information. Bear in mind that the Spanish people is a very polite people and they always use please. Por favor, por favor. Please, can you give me more information? Por favor, ¿me puedes dar más información? Por favor, ¿me puedes dar más información? This was very easy, wasn't it? Hablar español es muy fácil, ¿no es así? Moving on, we are going to ask when we get to the train station or when we get to the bus station, where can I buy a ticket? And we are going to say in a very polite way, por favor, ¿de dónde puedo comprar un billete? Por favor, ¿de dónde puedo comprar un billete? You can also use un tiquete. Everyone is going to understand what you mean. Just make sure you are as polite and as nice as possible, as Spanish people are very nice and very eager to help you. Now, how do we say, I like this place a lot? Me gusta este lugar mucho. Me gusta este lugar mucho. Now, when we want to ask for more water when we are on the plane or when we are at the shop, we are going to say, hola, ¿me puedes dar agua? Hola, ¿me puedes dar agua? And also make sure you add a por favor at the end. Hola, ¿me puedes dar agua, por favor? My dear friends, I hope you enjoyed our first Spanish lesson, the basics when you travel. Check us later on for more interesting and great lessons in Spanish for beginners. Make sure you like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel Learn Spanish. I will see you soon. Adios or hasta luego, mis amigos.